I get a lot of questions from my community when it comes to text marketing. There is one particular question that I always get asked about, so I decided to make a video about it. In today's episode, I'll be discussing 5 ways to use text marketing to boost your profits. So, let's get it. What's up, everybody? It's your girl Chris, better known online as the Black Techie. Text marketing has been around for years, but as of late, its popularity has increased. Every time I scroll through Instagram or Twitter, I see someone say, text me at, and then provide their number in their bio. Sometimes people wonder if this is some Joan the Scammer type of stuff when it comes to text marketing. That's definitely not the case, and I'm here to show you differently. I've been very vocal about the success of text marketing in my brand and business as of late. It's not only allowed me to truly engage with my community, but it's also allowed me to boost my profits as well. Here are 5 ways you can use text marketing to boost your profits. Number 1, identify your target audience. In order to generate revenue and boost your profits, you have to know who you're communicating with on your mobile list. Text marketing is a one-to-one connection with your community, so it's important to know who's on your list. Take the time to identify your audience. Narrow down who they are. It will be important for revenue. Number 2, provide personalization. No one wants to feel like they are just another person on your list. This is where personalization comes in handy. Don't address someone on your list as, hey girl, or what's good my guy. Last time I checked, in order for them to get on your list, they had to provide you with their name. So use it. Personalize this experience for them by addressing them personally by their name. Merge tags allow you to populate someone's name, and that can be very helpful. Number 3, customize your content. No one wants to read generic or whack-ass content. Sorry, not sorry. So there's no need to send that type of content either. Take the time to customize your content to your community. This will require you to understand how segmentation and tags work. When you're this specific with your list, it will show that you've taken the time to understand your audience and personalizing what they receive. Remember, segments organize tags and tags organize people. This way you'll be able to send customized content to your list. Number 4, contests and giveaways. Who doesn't love being gifted with things? I know I do. Contests and giveaways are another way to boost your profits using text marketing. It allows you to nurture the relationship with your new or current members of your community. You can run a contest to raffle off a digital product, mini service, beta service you might be testing out, physical product, and more. You can also give your community an exclusive coupon code for them to shop in your online store. Whatever the contest or giveaway, make it fun and engaging for your community. And last and certainly not least, number 5, customer service. This one might seem like a little unconventional when it comes to text marketing, but it definitely works when it comes to boosting profits. Sometimes customer emails can get lost in the matrix. Using text marketing will allow you to communicate with customers very quickly. If someone doesn't have access to a digital product, you can update them via text to let them know, hey, an email might be coming to you right now with said link, or you can just send them the link via text. When it comes to a physical product or tracking a shipment, you can send them an updated link or whatever documentation the customer is requesting. These are just a few examples, but this can definitely help boost your profits and be effective when it comes to your brand or your business. Since the holiday season is approaching, these tips provided in today's video could be used as part of your holiday strategy as well. Text marketing is on the rise, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. Don't wait until the last minute to start implementing these tips in your brand or your business. It's important for you to reach where your customers or clients are, on their smartphones, and text marketing can help you achieve that. If you're an NFL athlete who's interested in learning how to use text marketing for your brand or business, click the link in the description to contact me directly so we can create a mobile marketing strategy to take your brand or business to the next level. If you're a service provider and you're trying to figure out how to use text marketing in your business, I share case studies like this one on my text marketing list. Click the link in the description to join my list as well. If you like today's content, make sure to subscribe and like this video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And as always, I'm technically yours. Peace.